Another day, we're going to do a little bit today. Gonna finish off getting the crash bar, brace, dash bar, whatever you want to call it. If you actually know what the actual proper term for this big old metal bar, put it in a comment and let me know, because I haven't got a clue. I'm just calling it dash, brace, bar, crash thingy majig. Yeah, just basically, I know it's all unbolted because it is all off on both sides. Just need to make sure that all of the heater is fully unplugged from everything. We should be good to go. So, heater's out, dash bar's out. Now we can start with some of the wiring, I think. I cut a little bit just because I couldn't be able to unplug it. It's for the heater. Although I know with my car it's very weird without the actual heater controller plugged in. There's loads of stuff that doesn't work. So I think that some of these wires somewhere create a circuit. So I need to try and work out what that is. But what I'll do is now this is all done, and now I can start taking all the firewall, the sound deadening crap, because this is horrible, nasty stuff. So I'm going to buy some proper sound deadening, just to try and keep some noise down, because obviously it is still going to be a usable car, not an all-out balls deep race car. This will be half race car. Still going to have a carpet, that sort of stuff. So we'll take that off, we'll get the carpet out because it needs a really bad clean. So we'll get that done. We can rip out some of the old crappy wiring that I did, because we're going to redo it all properly. We've got this grey wire here. This I run for traction control, because my car from factory didn't come with it, and I used to have a subwoofer in here, so that can be deleted as well. And then we can start wiring about the rest of this. I'm not going to cut out too much of the wiring yet, because what I want to do is I need to find or get someone that can demobilise my ECU that I've got, which is just there. Demobilise that, and then I can get the engine in, plug the interior loom as it sits now, plug my clocks back in, and see if I can get the car to start. If I can get the engine to start, I'll be over the moon. So that's kind of where we're at the minute. Don't need to cut too much of this out, because I want to take out as little as possible for the minute until I can get the engine in and running. Once I've got that in and running, then I can work out the rest of this as we go, because this is a beefy wiring loom. As you can see, I can only just about touch fingers. Some of this I can't even touch fingers, but there is a lot of sort of padding with a lot of this, so a lot of it can go. But you get the gist of where we're going with it now. Carpet out at some point. I'm going to take out everything else for now. Leave everything else that's in here, leave it in here. And then we can some point either try and get someone to come around and weld that up, because that is no longer needed. Loads of stuff in the pipe work that I want to do, so we're getting there, slowly but surely. Definitely getting somewhere. Dash bar's all out now. Now to start playing around with getting the carpet out, because it needs a bloody good clean. But I need to rip, clean out all of the tools and anything that I can take out, so I can start removing the carpet. The wiring can sort of stay where it is for now. Oh, this is depressing stage. This is a stage where you kind of want to give up or just take get someone else to do it, because this is really depressing. Must get on with it. Can't really stop now. I'm at this stage, so I might as well just crack on. Take it one step at a time and take my time with it. No rush. Well, there is kind of a rush. I'd like to get it done as soon as possible, but we can take our time with it.
One eternity later.
Quite crappy weather today. It's actually raining, so I'm going to just stay inside and do what I can with this. But we've got to make the most of the days, regardless of weather, hence why I bought the car tent, so I can do stuff in the rain. But we're going to sort of tidy up the interior now. By interior I mean just take the stuff, move it so it's somewhere that's not inside the car, so I can then try and pull the interior, the carpet out. Once I've got the carpet out, then I can start worrying about wiring and shit. And until then there's no point doing anything until I've cleaned this all out, got everything I can out of the way, and then I can worry about everything else. So yeah, that's sort of, we're getting somewhere now. Although it looks like it's getting worse, it is getting better in a weird sense. But I'll start with the interior, and then anything that I don't need, I want to start making brackets up for, I want to raise the gear selector, and then we'll rerun the selector cables inside, drill a hole through the firewall, do it that way. That's what I'm thinking. But yeah, we need to get a clean interior, carpet out, and then we'll crack on from there. Let's have fun. So you got the carpet out now. Not that stuff, I mean, that's coming out now as well. But yeah, we've got the main of the carpet out, which is good. Means I can now sort of give it a clean, because obviously there is going to be dirt and shit underneath all of this. But yeah, we'll get the rest of this, I don't know if it's sound deadening or just like foam to make the floor comfier, but that'll all come out. All of the dash stuff, the foamy stuff, imajiggy, whatever you want to call it, that'll all come out as well. I'll probably buy some proper proper sound deadening, just to do with like from the floor forward, bulkhead as well, just to try and keep some sound deadening in the car. But we're getting there. Carpet's filthy, so that's out now. That's going to get a proper hoover, maybe even pressure wash it just because it's nasty, and just see what happens really.